Happy Monday, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Today is February 26th. We'll do a pre-market update and we'll start and review all the major industries, S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow Jones, Russell. Also, we'll review crypto and also we'll review all the major commodities. And if you like the content, please hit the like button. It only takes 1 second to hit the like. I would really appreciate that, and share this channel with your friends and family and help this to grow. And that will motivate me to share even better content next time. All right, so the way we will review, on the right side, I will show you daily chart. On the left side, I will show you day trading chart. This is only for day trading, and right side is for longer term analysis. All right. And red lines are the resistance sell lines, green lines are buy lines, and you should be looking to buy in the green line and sell in the red line. And if you want to short, you can should be looking to short near sell red lines and then buy near green lines. All right, so let's do cycle analysis very quickly on SPX. So you can see this rising phase, yellow cycle. Focus on yellow cycle, and that's where we are expecting this rising phase. You can see it bottomed here, this dump here around 13th of Feb, and again it very closely somewhere here. You can see it also bottom. So where we are going right now, this is a rising phase, and this rising phase is topping out 4th of March. So we have around a week to go, and it's going to grind around, go slightly higher, and then I'm expecting some correction, and that's going to start basically 20th of March to 2nd of April. So once this thing tops out, there are multiple cycles coming down. You can see blue, dark blue, light blue, and then yellow. So that's going to put some downwards pressure on this S&P 500. So for now, a week or so looking for a grind higher and then go low. All right, so now keep that in mind for major stocks, and then we'll analyze everywhere major using this left indicator as well. So all right, so levels for S&P 500 is 5111. This is the first resistance, second is 5125, and third one is 5139. Major short is somewhere here above second standard deviation. So from where we are right now, it can still go 0.4% higher, and that's where a major sell zone is. And you should be looking to short there. You can slowly start building your short position, and then you should be looking to dump. And inversely, if it comes to the buy zone, that's around 50.73 first level, 50.59 second level, and 50.45 is the third level. All right. And let's quickly add MES chart here to see how this thing is shaping up. As you can see here, where you can see when I move cursor on the left side, you can focus on right side, cursor automatically moves. So you can see I'm looking for resistances here. Previous high, basically futures also hit this high, and yes, and Friday's high. Okay, that's a major resistance around 51.25, and buy is around 50.73, and it can go as low as below around 50.45, and that's where this green line is, which is 10 moving average. Okay, so we're expecting to move within this range today, and these are the levels for today. All right, Nasdaq. Let's quickly review Nasdaq. MNQ near between sell zone and neutral zone. This white line here, and you can see Nasdaq. If I go to higher, levels are 18,070 and up, and then second level is 18,144. Third level is 182. 1119. I don't think it's going to go there. I think it's going to go somewhere between 18142 and 1068. All right. So from where we are right now, it can go and pump around 0.77%. That's going to be a good area to short here. Inversely, okay, so if you go here, that's going to be new all-time highs. So just keep that in mind. If you go to new all-time highs, look to short. And then in the buy zone here is 17,874. That's where this green line is, 10 moving average, and it can go. Second level is around 17,800, and third level is around 17,731. That's where this 20 moving average is. All right. So you can see from here, if you go to first buy level 0.8%, second buy level 1.1%, third level 1.56%. All right. Just remember there is some divergences here. On the daily chart, you can see RSI going lower high, PPO going lower high. So we got to be careful. We could get like a little bit of correction here. And this in the daily chart, I think if it go near this red line, which is 50 SMA, that's a good area to buy. So if we go a little bit lower, around 3%, that's going to be, just keep that in mind. No, nothing to worry right now. So SPX is showing we're going to go higher, but just keep that in mind. A correction is healthy for this bull market to run. All right. All right, so let's look at Dow Jones, how Dow Jones are shaping up right now, also going near sell line, and you can see resistance is 39,188 and up, and buy level is 38,960 and up. I'm going to go a bit faster now. You can take a screenshot to look at levels of your major indices, whatever you're interested in, okay? And US 2000, you can see Russell 2000, also going from neutral zone, going towards sell zone. 2024 and up is the sell zone, and buy zone is 1998 and below. All right, Apple major stock still a little bit higher than buy zone, And if it goes around 181.22, that's a nice area to buy. That's where this 200 EMA, not SMA, 200 EMA light blue line is also coming. So if it goes there, that's going to be good buy zone. Also, I got 7 counts buy signal on Wednesday last week, so just keep that in mind. Tesla, all right. So Tesla, I think a little bit pumped pre-market, nothing major, but you can see green line cross above a white line. So that's always whenever we get that green line above white line, always we get a bounce. You can see green line above white line. I haven't released a short video. You can watch it later. You can see green line above white line. So you can see what's happening here. Also, we had a divergence. Okay, you can see new low, and RSI got a buy signal here, and also we have PPO crossover as well. Green line is above red line. So I'm bullish on Tesla. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, so the level is 189.96 and below. That's where this 20 simple moving average is coming, and that's where you should be looking to buy if it comes little lower. And then resistances are right now 197, then 200, and then 202. Now there's a gap around 206 that will be filled. I don't know when, but just keep that in mind. Gold. All right, so let's look at gold commodities right now near neutral zone. Nothing to do here. Resistance are 2038 and up. Buy zone is 2022 and below. So you can see right where this red 50 SMA is. That's where the resistance is. Silver down pre-market near buy zone. Okay, this is where you should be buying silver. 8:52 a.m. Eastern. This is where you should be looking to buy. Now, if it in the daily chart, it has potential to go a little lower on this trend line. If I zoom out, just keep that in mind. It can go a little lower. So from here, still can go from here a little bit lower, 1.29%. And if it goes that lower, it's still gonna be in a buy zone. All right, crude oil. Let's say it's bouncing from the buy zone. It was in buy zone all last Friday as well. In the buy zone, you can see near nice support here. Now, just remember there's also this trend line. So long term, it can still expect to fall lower. But right now, short term, if it goes below 75.9 and below, that's where this 50 SMA is coming. So this is 50 EMA, the yellow line. That's where you should be looking to buy. All right, natural gas bouncing 7.68%. All right, near sell zone. All right, so nothing, not interested. Where this is where resistance is. White line, not really interested to buy. Only will be buying below 1.71. Okay, that's what this green line 10 moving average is. Dollar index DXY near buy zone. Okay, so you can see sitting right on the support 50 EMA, daily 50 EMA. That's where you should be looking to buy. Bitcoin, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is flagging, and you can see in the buy zone. Bitcoin is in the buy zone. It came in the buy zone around 4:58 a.m. today, and also 7:21 a.m. Eastern, and also still trying to go towards buy zone 51,069 and below. Look to buy, and that's where this major indices is also coming. It can afford to go. This 20 moving average is rising as well. So that's where if it goes here around 5488, that's also a good buy, and that's where this third line is. Okay, so coming closer to buy zone, this is where you should be looking to buy Bitcoin here. Ethereum, a major pump, I think yesterday from nowhere near neutral zone, looking to buy below 3020 and below. That's where you should be looking to buy. One other thing I wanted to show you, I did not check any major gap here over the weekend on futures. Let's see. Bitcoin gap is filled. Ethereum gap is still not filled. You can see there is another gap created by Ethereum. Let's quickly add that here. So you can see here 3000. All right. So there's a gap around 3000. Let's go back to daily chart. Just keep that in mind. There's a gap now, another gap around 3000 here. Okay. So it can go still lower Ethereum. This is CME futures. Could still afford to go 3% lower. And if it comes there, that's going to be in the buy zone here. All right. So the buy zones are here exactly around 3000 level. All right. Let's quickly review Toronto Stock Exchange, TSX. Let's go to daily chart, and it's in the sell zone. All right, not interested to buy. There's a gap around 2188. Look to fill that. Hang Seng Index, China. All right, so China is in the neutral zone. It was in the sell zone on Friday. Now futures are in the middle in the neutral zone, and you can see here also broke out of this downward trend line, white line. You can see resistance, resistance, resistance. Now broke out. Now let's see if it wants to back test. If it does, it's going to be coming here in the buy zone here. All right. All right, let's quickly wrap it up with gold, and quickly we will review any other major top stocks. So GDX, you can see in the neutral zone, look to buy below 26.03 and below. Google, let's see, Google where it is right now, still very right on the gap fill here, pre-market 0.89% down. I don't know what the news is. Right on the gap fill, 142 and below, look to buy Google. Netflix, let's see, Netflix in the middle neutral zone, buy zone 569 and below. Amazon, let's see, Amazon is in the sell zone, not interested here. Meta, Facebook right now. In the neutral zone, Microsoft. Right now, Microsoft is also between sell zone and neutral zone. Snowflakes is between sell zone and neutral zone. NVDA must be near sell zone, very close to sell zone. AVGO is also in the sell zone. AMD also near neutral zone. All right, Intel. Let's wrap it up with Intel is near neutral zone. All right, guys, if you're still here, hopefully this was useful. Please hit the like button on your way out, and I will see you later. Bye.